Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be replacing the mass airflow sensor on Mercedes W211 V6 gas. This one is E320. 350 and the V8s might be very close to almost the same procedure as well. We have two codes guys that we have for mass airflow sensor. Okay, P0102 and P0112. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, open the hood guys, and show you how to remove and replace that sensor now. And again, we have a video that relates about those codes. We explain what kind of sensor to use, whether to use the cheap Chinese ones or original German ones, so we cover some information there. Okay, so we're going to take the cover off, okay, right here. And this is guys the mass airflow sensor right here. Okay, this is the thing that's causing the trouble. First we'll need to disconnect the cable. There is two things, one on top, one on bottom. You squeeze them and you pull, okay, and you pull the wire out. Okay, like that. This is the wire for the map now. Okay guys, so right here now, with the screwdriver we need to unhook that bracket, okay, like that. So we need to remove the bracket out of the way. It's holding that hose here, okay, so just pull it out. Careful not to break it because the new sensor doesn't come with one. All you have to do now, right here there is one spring towards the back. Push it in a little bit like that, and all you have to do, pull it out. Just wiggle it out of there. Okay, that's the seal on the bottom. Always inspect that seal. Okay, and this is the mass airflow sensor. Okay, right here now guys. Oh, it's very important not to drop anything in the intake. You have to be very careful. Okay, if you get some protectant from the dash or stuff like that, you can apply a little bit to that seal to wipe it to make it clean, and that way it will go good. So this is the replacement part that we have out of a parts car. You have to have matching numbers. You can see the arrow flow. Okay, it goes down like that. So now, okay, we're going to wipe here and we'll go ahead and install it. Okay, so first you need to get the rubber in. Okay, it's almost going in now. Those stretch over time sometimes. Okay, that's perfect. It's in all the way. It feels good. Make sure that it's where it's supposed to be. Now we need to get it in the right way. Okay, and just push it in until it clicks. Okay, next we need to install the plastic bracket. Okay, so you need to just spread it, okay, to go over the sensor. Then we'll come this way over the hose, okay, like that. And you need to just lock it now. Okay, perfect, like that guys. Connect the wire, don't forget to connect the cables. And you just need to install the cover on top, which is pretty simple, just the same way we removed it. You need to make sure to inspect that seal right here, that it's good, in good condition, it's not cracked, because otherwise you leak dirty air in the engine. Okay, you need to get it in the back, perfectly fine, and push it in. Next, just install the intake hoses and the cover there. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and check out the playlist. See you next time.